in the Ozarks.
Welcome back, everyone. 5:45 on this Tuesday morning. It is a great morning to sleep in, but if you're up watching, you're already up and at 'em. So we'll get to our day. Kind of cloudy and dreary out there, just some low-hanging clouds. That's the name of the game today, foggy and soggy. 48 degrees currently. At least it's not cold. I mean, very mild for this time of the year. Southeast winds at about 7 miles per hour. Now, we do have a dense fog advisory for our counties in Arkansas that goes until noon. That's a little late for a dense fog advisory. The fact is visibility is going to be reduced because of just how, foggy it's going to be, and then that drizzle that was going to hang around, kind of like yesterday. We saw a dense fog advisory later in the day because visibility was reduced from that. We are looking at reduced visibility in Branson, about half a mile, in Harrison, about a quarter of a mile, just foggy across the Ozarks. So if you run into fog, if you go out past a daybreak or past our show, sunrise, you'll want your lights on if you run into that fog. So we're going to give it just a yellow light because of that on your commute forecast. 6, 7, 8 foggy conditions, and then on the way back home we'll give a yellow light because of the wet roads. Kind of just damp and drizzly. That's what it's going to be. Here's what satellite and radar looks like. Notice we're not seeing a lot of rain with this. Some of our southeastern counties picking up a little bit on the radar. It's such fine little particles that it doesn't track well on our radar. And we're going to see that cloud coverage sticking around too. So precipitation chances for today, light rain possible. I don't think we're going to see any major showers out there, but the best chance is going to be between 12 and 3 this afternoon. And it's pretty low. The fact is, we're going to see the chance of just being drizzly and damp all day today. Now, we do have a stationary front that's sitting across the middle part of our viewing area. And if you notice, we're going to be about 56 in Springfield, 48 in Lake of the Ozarks, 67 in Harrison. That is a range for temperature. So just know if you're in Arkansas, think 60s. If you're up towards the lake, think 40s. In Springfield, mid 50s. For tonight, we're going to kind of get more on the same page. Mid to low 40s across the area with light winds. And then as we head throughout today, I wanted to show Futurecast. We talked about the rain chances later today. As we move into Wednesday, this is showing 6 p.m. We're going to start to see the threat for widespread heavy rain showers Wednesday night into Thursday. There's that widespread rain moving through, maybe a few rumbles of thunder or heavier rain kind of embedded in with this. And then as we move through Friday morning, it should move out. I think Friday should be mostly dry. So for the next 7 days, our best chance of rain is going to be on Thursday. But really, we just have an active week ahead of us, or an active 7 days ahead of us, as even next week we're expecting rain as well. How much rainfall with this storm system Wednesday through Thursday? I think some places could see 3 inches south of I-44, north of I-44. It's more like a half of an inch, so big range right there. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperature-wise, still staying fairly mild, which is good news. Seasonal on Friday and the Saturday. I know that's the Christmas parade here in Springfield. I think AM rain chances, but by the afternoon, I think we'll be okay. 50 degrees Saturday.
All right.